Well, welcome back to it, everybody. Here we are again. It is Saturday. It's not raining out. So we're going to get these hinges mounted. So we have holes to drill, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. I'll catch you on the other side of it. Look at that. Well, I guess I can mow the damn yard now. Well, I tell you what has always absolutely amazed me anytime I've had a big project for myself mentally is getting one little tiny little fraction of the project, not really completed, but at the next level to where it makes it easier for you. It's amazing how that just lifts your spirits. I mean, just simple little stuff. I've been using a man door, tiny little man door to get in and out of this building all winter long. I've been hustling stuff through it. It's just a pain in the ass, you know, because I've got a 10-inch board on the bottom that I have to lift everything over, but we don't have to worry about that anymore because we have a swinging door. Yes. Yes, sir. And you know what? It actually works better than I thought I would. So I'm pretty happy with the first set of hinges. Now that I know that these are going to work, we can make the remaining 4 sets, or six more to make. So we need 2 more for this other half of the door here, and we're going to need 4 for the very back door. I was wondering how just 2 hinges was going to work for me, but I gotta be honest with you, these things are heavy enough to where I'm not really worried about them having issues. The thing is, I'm not afraid if I do have issues. I'm not afraid to change it up if I have to. It's not a big deal to make another one and add it on there. It's actually really easy. It's really easy to hang these doors if you already have them screwed in place, which I'm glad I did that when I put them up. I lined them up where I had to be when I first installed them, when I first built them. I made sure that everything was going to clear, that we'd have a swing on it, and it just made everything so much easier for mounting the hinges, because once I had the hinges mounted, all I had to do was pop the framing screws out that I had holding it in place, and voila, working door. So, coming up, we got to get back to that cabinet project. We have stuff in the house to do. I also am working on a series of tutorial videos for timber framing because I'm still getting so many of the questions on scarf joints, things like that. I've actually been shooting some of those on the off nights. I've got to sit down and start editing. But look forward to that coming down the pike. We're going to start coming you can tell we're downstairs again with the traffic noise. I know, you guys say it never bothers you, but it always wrecks my train of thought. I get distracted so easily. But anyway, I want to start covering some different timber frame joints, where to place them in your frame, what their purpose is, how they work, what kind of loads they resist, things like that, because I get a ton of those questions. But like I said in many other videos over the past, don't just listen to me, do your own research, find some engineering tables, talk to some people who do it every day. You know, those are always good places to start to get information. So anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one.